Kamusta mga kabasketballista? Tinambakan ng Batangas ang Emos 90-68. Best player of the game si MJ De La Virgen sa likod na kanang 16 points, 3 rebounds, 8 assists at 1 steal. Nagtala naman si Ablasa ng 17 points, Ochea 9 points, Arim 6 points, Apinan 2 points, De La Virgen 16 points. Nag-ambag naman si Balorian ng 15 points, Hernandez 10 points, Cruz 8 points, Panyamogan 3 points, Ambuludto 2 points, Isit 2 points. Para naman sa natalong Imos, JV De La Cruz 13 points, Doligon 10 points, Acono 6 points, Ariar 2 points, Ong 0 point. Nag-ambag naman si Bilencio ng 14 points, Doroteo 6 points, Caspi 6 points, Koga 5 points, Basibas 4 points, Soriano 2 points. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Dinaig naman ng Pampanga ang Marikina 68-66. Best player of the game si Jemo Iguelos sa likod na kanyang 12 points, 8 rebounds at 4 assists. Nagtala naman si Concepcion ng 11 points, Palma 9 points, Lalata 6 points, Armenion 2 points, Iguelos 12 points. Nag-ambag naman si Clemente ng 11 points, Alcoriza 7 points, Binuya 5 points, De Leon 3 points, Gomaro 2 points. Para naman sa natalong Marikina, Nem De La Cruz 15 points, Landayan 6 points, Mike Macion 4 points, Tiborcio 2 points, Di Mayoga 0 point. Nag-ambag naman si Bauzo ng 16 points, Pinano 7 points, Basco 6 points, Casajeros 4 points, Rocky 3 points, Escoto 3 points. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Panalo naman ang Caloocan kontra sa Mindoro 80-67. Best player of the game si Jeff Manday sa likod na kanang 17 points, 3 rebounds, 3 assists at 3 steals. Nagtala si Kalahat ng 12 points, Espenas 9 points, Bitoon 8 points, Kasen 6 points, Kabanag 1 point. Nag-ambag naman si Manday ng 17 points, Manlangit 9 points, Matcha 7 points, Tayungtong 4 points, English 3 points, Sanga 2 points, Cervantes 2 points. Para naman sa natalong Mindoro, si Dorifa 14 points, Gamalinda 7 points, Enyego 4 points, Comboy 2 points, Rangel 2 points. Nag-ambag naman si Benes ng 9 points, Galang 9 points, Bono 6 points, Ramirez 6 points, Manzo 4 points, Yutok 2 points, Andros 2 points. Heto ang game schedule ngayong March 19, 2025 na gaganapin sa Alonte Sports Arena. Maglalaban ang Ilagan Isabela at Bulacan alas 4 ng hapon. Maghaharap naman ang Abra Weavers at Pasay alas 6 ng gabi. Magtutuos naman ang Binyan at Pangasinan alas 8 ng gabi. Heto ang team standings ng North Division as of March 18, 2025. Pampanga 2 win 0 loss, Abra 2 win 0 loss, Pangasinan 2 win 0 loss, Nueva Ecija 2 win 0 loss, Quezon City 1 win 1 loss, Manila 1 win 1 loss, Ilagan Isabela 1 win 1 loss, Pasay 1 win 1 loss, Valenzuela 1 win 1 loss, Caloocan 1 win 1 loss, Bataan 0 win 2 losses, Bulacan 0 win 2 losses, Marikina 0 win 3 losses, Pasig 0 win 0 loss, San Juan 0 win 0 loss. Kung umabot ka dito sa bahagi ng video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto naman ang team standings ng South Division as of March 18, 2025. Jensan Warriors 2 win 0 loss, Quezon Huskers 2 win 0 loss, Rizal 2 win 0 loss, Zamboanga 2 win 0 loss, Cebu 1 win 1 loss, Batangas 1 win 1 loss, Imos 1 win 2 losses, Mindoro 1 win 2 losses, Basilan 0 win 2 losses, Binyan 0 win 2 losses, Sarangani 0 win 3 losses, Bacolod, Davao Occidental, Muntinlupa, at Paranaque parehong may 0 win 0 loss. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.